Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I thought it would be fun to take you along while I make my Azuki Bean coconut pudding. Azuki carry the property of luck and love. It is also high in protein and contain less fat among many beans. Coconuts remind me of summer. It is something I enjoy incorporating in my summer recipes. This pudding is made up of only 4 ingredients. Now let's start. Add water to the Azuki beans. Remove the ones that float to the surface. Soak the beans in water for 4 to 6 hours. They should be double the size. This process helps shorten the cooking time. Boil the beans in water over high heat. If the water evaporates too fast, add more water. These beans are boiled for 20 minutes. They are soft, but still hold the shape. The boiled liquid is actually broth. It is healthy and full of flavor. I like to enjoy it with a little bit of brown sugar sometimes. Back to the recipe. In a pot, add the cornstarch, palm sugar, cream, coconut cream, and a pinch of salt. Mix it until the cornstarch dissolves before turning on the heat. Keep stirring over medium-low heat until the mixture becomes thick. Pour the mixture in a container. You don't need to oil it. Just wet the container with cold water before adding the mixture. The pudding should be released easily from the mold. Sprinkle the Azuki on top, then chill it until it's set. If you enjoy this recipe, you can click like or subscribe button. See you next time.